Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project I wanted to work on today. This was one of the first projects that I saw on YouTube this morning, and it is April 3rd. So I follow her on YouTube and I believe IG, but it is Wandy'S Sweets. And she made a little shaker book box tutorial. So it's basically a book box, and inside the book there are 4 little boxes, and this is what it looks like. It's a little shaker book box. Okay, let me show you her page. There we go. I use this paper pad that I hauled from Louisa from My Crafty Boutique, and it's the Garden Dreams. I believe this is a Michael's paper pad, and I'm gonna make 2 while we're here. The first one is a 5x12. So we need a 5x12, and we're gonna cut this on the 5-inch line. Almost messed that one up. So 5 inches by 12. Okay, second paper. Alright. Okay. And then the next thing she does, she scores at 5 1/4. So 5 1/4. Let me use it. And then at 6 3/4. This is what it will look like. This will be the outside, the book part of the shaker book box. And then this is the second book. I'm going to make 2 books, remember. So we're going to score again at 5 1/4 and 6 3/4. And then I'm going to use the same papers, but you need a 6x6, and you're going to need 4, okay? So I'm going to line this edge up, and I'm just going to cut off the 1 inch. Do the same with this one. Okay? And this is going to make 2 boxes, basically. So you're going to need another, either you could use 12x12 paper, or you can use your 6x6 paper, and then you can cut from there. But she starts with, to make the little boxes, she uses a 6x6 piece of paper, or cardstock, or whatever it is you're going to use. Okay, so to make her box, she uses a envelope punch board, and she puts it in the board, line it up at the 2-inch mark, and it is punch and score. So right at the 2-inch, punch, whoops. Punch and score. And you're not going to rotate, you're going to slide to the 4-inch mark, punch and score. We're going to make a box, remember. Okay, now we rotate it and line up at the 2 again, punch and score. And then we're going to slide to the 4-inch, punch and score. Punch and score, punch and score. Okay. Slide to the 4-inch, punch and score. Rotate it, punch and score. Slide, punch and score. And then the next thing you can do is round your corners. Next we're going to cut. She said to, doesn't matter which side we start on, but at the corner we're going to cut to the first score line. Let me see better on this side. So if you just follow the score mark to the first intersection, right, which is right there, and then make that famous V cut, and it'll allow your flaps to open easier. Now we're going to do the same to the other side, and just cut that. Alright, so from this side that we just cut on, we're going to come to this side. So rotate it and do the same. Cut to the first score, and then cut a V. Alright, so this is our first box, and what we're going to do is score all the score marks. We're going to fold all the score marks, not score it. Alright guys, so I finished stitching the covers for my shaker box, and I have 2 cut parts from the collection. Now I'm just going to take it, I have tulle to go over to make my shaker. I'm going to take it to the sewing machine and stitch it up, leave an opening, and then I'm going to stitch it shut. Alright, so I'm going to do that now. Okay, I made a mix. I added some of the big sequins that I just picked up from Cartwright's, and I also added some Dollar Tree beads and some other sequins mix that I've already had pre-made. I took them, they were already sitting ready. I just put a few colors, different colors in here. So that is what we got. I'm gonna go over to the sewing machine and I'm going to stitch this up. Alright guys, I got it all done. And that's what it looks like. The purple, a little stuck on there. There we go. I love shaping these things. So I just gave them the same color mix. And now we just have to put it together. Let me move these out of the way. Alright, so before I sew the next one, or put together the next one, I figured I needed some closure for the boxes, or for the book, but I also already attached my shaker, so didn't think that one through. We will fix it. I think I would use glue. Yep. Use glue on that one. And do I have, what do I have? Fuchsia? This one? No. This one? No. This one? Yeah. Do that one. I use this for that, and this for this one. Now, this is from my Scrap Cabin Shop on Instagram. Oof, it's a lot. Nice. So I think, okay, I'm going to just tape these back down for now. And, let's see. Actually, maybe I can, this one is, whoops. Ooh, that caught fire, didn't it? Alright, how to do this? How do I do this without? So it's too late to put a tie on here. So I think what I will do is put a dab of glue here, and I'm probably going to put like some kind of like a button or a gem. Let me see. Or a flower. How about that? Let's see if one of these will fit. What if I put it like that? So one here and one on the outside. I'm just trying to tighten it without making such giant bunny ears. Seen by new. Something like that, right? And then add it to the other side also. Like right there, and then add one extra bow on top. Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. And do it just like that. this piece. And the ears. Okay. See, this is not long enough. Just gonna have to make it work. I mean, make it work. Fingers are not cooperating today. Okay, I'm gonna do like that. All right. Now I'm just gonna take this somewhat in the middle, right there. Okay. Ay, not working. It's all glue. Okay, now put that on top. And do the same to the other side. Alright, I think I like it. I do like it. It's teeny tiny bows from Walmart. I think it's cute. There we go. And once it's dry, I will tie it closed. But yeah, it's going to be interrupted because of, you know, the bow back here. But it's all good. I think I'm just going to, oops. And then I'll fill these up later. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I didn't put anything on the spine. But that's it, guys. I will work on the other one and then I'll share the picture with you at the end. So I'll see you all on the next video. Bye, guys.